How to block user or contact on Telegram. In few steps, you can block any annoying person or any contact in Telegram. We go to Telegram. We choose the one who want to block, and we go here, and you see the three button on the left corner, sorry, the right corner, and we have many options: shares contact, block user, edit contact, delete contact, and we choose block user. And for in block, you press here and you unblock it, and you can start a new conversation. That's all for this video. Don't forget subscribe and like this video.